This is a quick leak detection video that we shot in Bel Air, California. As I always talk about, the crazier they build them on hills, cliffs, negative edges, slot drains, the more mistakes they make. This is a classic example of a mistake. Check it out. So this is the $250,000 plus pool that we're talking about. It was built on all sorts of concrete pilings and caissons. Down below, we found all this water when we first walked up. So we're going to do our leak detection. We're going to walk through. We have a catch basin, negative edge. Again, we have to see what this pool is made of. But when we get over here towards this lip, it looks like it might be a slot drain, but it's not. This water actually goes to waste, and the water winds up underneath that deck and stands until it goes down to waste. But over here, we have a grout joint, and that grout joint is allowing water to get through there under the deck when the system is running. Again, it wasn't designed right. Well, we found other leaks in this pool. We have a couple of penetrations in the spa that were leaking around the side suctions and so on. Those are all hearable. You could hear those with the pool scope. You could hear those with your equipment. But when it's a design flaw, you really have to open your eyes.